The challenge with being original is that very few understand your commitment. For those who want to make a difference, ingenuity is addictive. Once in a lifetime, you get to build a technology brand that is genuine and committed. A committed approach shapes everything in life, where every piece of the puzzle falls right into place. And when it does not, you take charge. The ideas that are designed to change the future of life for so many come from a dedicated team of professionals. The ones who visualize that the smart home automation industry is about to bring a revolution across the world. For you know that a smart revolution is built on synergy across people, departments, and solutions. We create all that and more. A touch to enlighten your world, a tap to create a fresh ambiance, a tug to control those shades, and a simple centralized solution to make you the master of your own home and workspace. A smarter approach to integrated life. For us, the thought process never stops. Every challenge is a learning opportunity for yet another breakthrough. A look beyond the horizon to see the smart future that we are helping to create. One thought, one product, and one powerful solution at a time. But not just ideas and technology. It is the people who create the smart world we want to live in. The ideas that we build come to life. The technologies that we contemplate come into existence. People who challenge us every day to innovate the world of smart innovation. People who guide us on what we are and what we can be. People who work tirelessly with us each day to bring our thoughts, ideas, products, and solutions to the connected world we live in. And when creating a connected world, the commitment never takes a break. Across geographies and beyond nationalities, creating smart miracles ask for ideas that are unique, innovative, and powerful. Each meeting culminates into products that are here to change the way you live. Each discussion aimed at turning another chunk of your conventional life to a smart life. This is where all thoughts culminate into ingenuity. And as we already said, ingenuity is addictive. Be smart. Be innovative. Be free. Smartinn. Integrated freedom.